Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Turn on airplane mode now. This immediately stops cellular transmissions and meets safety rules. Once done, you still need data, so prepare to re-enable Wi-Fi. Make sure you have the airline network name and any login info ready. This saves time. You're starting with compliance, then restoring permitted connections. Don't skip gathering the password or voucher code, because you'll move straight to connecting the phone's Wi-Fi after the radio has been disabled. With airplane mode on, turn Wi-Fi back on from Quick Settings or Settings Wi-Fi. This restores internet without reactivating cellular. Next, scan for the aircraft or terminal SSID and connect. If a captive portal appears, follow the payment or login steps. Once connected, confirm internet access by loading a simple page. For privacy and security, use a VPN or only visit secure websites. This prevents interception on shared onboard networks, so you can safely use data services. Now use apps or browse normally. Apps should resume syncing once Wi-Fi is active. If a page won't load, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, or forget the network and reconnect. This clears captive portal glitches. Make sure airplane mode still stays on to avoid cellular transmission. If problems persist, ask cabin crew whether the aircraft Wi-Fi is active or if specific services are restricted. They can tell you whether a voucher or alternative connection is required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.